Hello my little YouTubers, how are you all doing today? This is your finger, my ring, and today I'm going to turn this Tunisian coin. I've made one of these before in the past. It's Tunisian and I love the design. It's pretty gorgeous. So there you go. So what side are we going to go for? Well, first of all we have to punch a hole in it. And for that, we use the penetrator. This is a punch called Penetrator by one of my subscribers. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Right, let's go for the Big Bertha and let's see if she's behaving herself today. She's not wet today, which is nice. I don't like it when she's dripping, you know. Right, there you go. Right. There we go. Let's slap it on the bottom again. Who's a naughty boy then? Why this sticks, I don't know. Anybody got any ideas why this is sticking every time I use it? If you're new to the channel, there's a little button, little red button down there, bottom right hand corner. If you press that, I'm pressing it but it's not working. Press that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You know the score. Hardcore. Right. I now need to clean up this inside edge. And for that, I use Christy Burr. This is a deburring tool. All my tools are named, mostly by my subscribers. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring or a gift for somebody as Christmas is coming up, you can check out my store, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size. And if you like that particular ring that's there, I can adjust the size up or down for you. I have lots of different coins, Finnish, American, English, or you can also send me your own coins and I'll make you a custom ring, filmed, stick it on YouTube for you. Most of them are 28 euros unless they're silver. Some of my rings are 90% silver or 40% silver, 50% silver, depending on where they come from. I made a Finnish one yesterday, that was 50% silver. I don't think that's in my shop yet though. Alright, that's looking pretty sexy. There you go, nice and clean. So now we want to show it some love with Bernie the fire starter. Where's my pliers gone? They've gone off. Oh yes. Things here for me. This is called annealing. That should do it. Oh, I still didn't fill up my cup. My cup is getting emptier and emptier all the time. I will fill it up one day, but not today obviously. Right, let's dry it off. So, what side are we going to go for? Sunny side up on the ring. I like that design. It's pretty beautiful, isn't it? So is that. Come on, what are we going for? This side or this side? I think I'll go for this side. I think I'd done this side last time. So in that case, this goes face down because that's going to be sunny side up on the ring. So you want to get this nice and level. Let's go over to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. It moved, it moved, it moved, and it's on the floor. Now it's back in my hand. That's good. Because this part is pretty critical. You want to try and get this as level as you can. Otherwise, things go a bit pear-shaped. Right, there you go, that's fully folded. Now I just want to clean up the edge with Sandy. Here she is. This is just very, very fine sandpaper. Beautiful day here today. The sun's out, no wind. Well, it's not cold to me, it's beautiful, beautiful day. All the trees are turning red and orange and they look lovely. There's some green trees left, but most of it's oranges and yellows and golds. I love autumn in Finland, there's so many trees there. Right, there you go. It's looking good. So now we need to go over to our best friend, Spike. And he stretches your ring. I'll use a bit of kitchen towel in between the ring and the stretcher to stop you losing detail from the inside of the coin ring. This isn't for anybody in particular, so size, there's no size really. I'm just making it. But if you're from Tunisia and you're looking for a nice ring, I got one for you, man. These make great gifts. Christmas is coming up. Look for something a bit special. I've got it for you. Right, how's that looking? Focus would be good. What size are we looking at the moment? We are looking at a size 67.5. US size 12, thereabouts. Right, now we want to go down to the bottom end of Spike. These are reducing dies, or you can also use the 17-degree die that I started to fold the coin with. There's a little bit there I can probably do. Yeah, not much, but it's something. Right. Now I just want to bring the walls in because they're a bit cone shaped. So I go for this one. This is what makes the ring smaller. All I need from you is your ring size, which you can get from a jeweller's. Don't bother with the bits of tape and string and all that shit. Maybe a touch more. Just a touch. It's so easy to go over the top with this though when you... There you go. Nice and straight walls. Right, where's Kate? Kate Bush, where are you? There you are. She's still looking pretty good. Usually she starts getting ropey by about Friday. This is just like quad zero steel wool. Very, very fine. It just takes the fire scale off. If you could do me a big favour, hit that like button. I could do with the help. And 90% of you aren't subscribed. You watch it, but you don't subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Cost you nothing. And it helps me out no end. Right, let's chuck a bit of polish on it. Cocktails, anybody? Right, there you go. That's nice. Nicey, nicey. This is just a metal polish. I think I have to break out another cloth. My cloths are getting really sad. Right, let's put in Felton John. This is just a felt pad, also named by one of my subscribers. Right, I think sod the expense. Let's get another towel out, shall we? Wherever they are. Maybe not. I'll stick with this one. There's another. Slightly cleaner, but not much cleaner. At the end of the video, my girlfriend finishes cleaning these up because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what. So if you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. Right. There's a bit of cleanness here. It's come up quite nice. And there's no lip on the inside of this one. It's the opposite. So there you go. A Tunisian coin ring. Lovely design, isn't it? Beautiful. What size we got? We've got a size It'll be the same size as it was last time, won't it? Because I didn't do anything else to it. Yeah, this is a size, EU size is a 60, 65. Yeah, 65. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a great evening. Have a great day tomorrow. Be safe. And catch you tomorrow. Take it easy. Tubby, bye-bye.